Hi, I'm Eva, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to reduce fractions. Let's get started. We will start by reducing the fraction 2/4. When reducing a fraction, the first thing you want to do is find the greatest common factor of both the numerator, which is 2, and the denominator, which is 4. To do that, we will factor both numbers out. What are the factors of 2? Well, factors are numbers you multiply together to create that number, which in this case is 2. The only two numbers that can do that are 1 and 2. What are the factors of 4? What numbers multiply together to make 4? 1 and 4 and 2 times 2. The greatest common factor is the largest number that both of these numbers, the numerator and the denominator, have in common. That would be 2. Then you divide both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we can see that 2/4 reduces into 1/2. Let's try two more examples in this video. So let's say we have the fraction 6 over 36. Again, we will start by finding the greatest common factor. Let's factor out 6. What numbers multiply together to make 6? Again, it's always going to be 1 times that number. And we also know we have 2 and 3. Now, let's try 36. This is a bit of a bigger number. Again, 1 and 36, 2 and 18, which we'll write later. We're writing these in order. We have 3, 4, we have 6, we have 9, we have 12, we have 18, we have 36. Because 1 times 36 is 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. 6 times itself. We won't write that twice. What is the greatest common factor? What is the biggest number that the numerator 6 and the denominator 36 have in common? That would be 6. So again, we're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So that means we have 6 divided by 6 over 36 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 36 divided by 6 is 6. So 6 over 36 equals 1/6. Now, what are the factors of 108? Those would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54, and 108. These are all numbers that can be multiplied by another number to create 108. Now, what is the greatest common factor? Now, it looks like that would be 36. Again, we have to divide both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So that means 72 divided by 36 over 108 divided by 36. 72 divided by 36 is 2, and 108 divided by 36 is 3. So 72 over 108 equals 2/3. Now, this can be a difficult fraction to reduce since we're using such large numbers. So one thing you might consider doing is, if we look at the fraction 72 over 108, we know that they are both even numbers because the last digit 2 and 8 are even. That means they can both be divided by 2. So you might say, 72 divided by 2 is 36. And then 108 divided by 2 is 54. And then you can say, okay, they're still even, 36, 54. Divide them by 2 again. Should mean 1 and 8, 18, over 54 divided by 2, which is 27. Now we know that they are both divisible by 3. 6/9, divide by 3 again. Again, 2/3. So you can kind of break down again, if it's an even number, you know they can both be divided by 2. And in this case, for 18 over 27, the sum of the digits are divisible by 3, which means the number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 can be divided by 3 evenly, which means that 18 must be able to be divided by 3. And same thing with 27. 7 plus 2 is 9, which is divisible by 3. So 27 is divided by 3, 9. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. We get the same answer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if there are any topics you would like me to make videos about in the future.